Did you receive a fire emoji and aren't sure how to respond? We've got you covered. The fire emoji could just be a friendly compliment, but it could also mean someone is incredibly attracted to you. If they've turned up the heat and you like that, follow up with 3 fire emojis in a row. That expresses tons of excitement, and you'll give the sender an ego boost. You can also respond with a heart emoji to express lots of positivity and to show you really dig the dynamic. If you sense that they're trying to be a little mysterious, a wink emoji will perk up the sender's mood and start up a friendly connection. However, if they got ahead of themselves and flirted a little too hard, you can hit back with an image with a hose and a fire truck. If you want to turn someone down in a gentle way, a good downpour or rain emoji is an effective way to put out even the hottest fire.